Hello friends, welcome to VK Lectures. In this lecture, let us discuss the question number 54. Consider a rectangular waveguide with dimension A equal to 3.1 centimeter and B equal to 1.6 centimeter. What is the cutoff frequency for TE10 mode in the waveguide? So, cutoff frequency, we have the formula Fc is equal to C by 2 root of m by a squared plus n by b squared. So where m is equal to, this is since it is TEMN. So TEMN means the question it is given TE10. So m equal to 1, n equal to 0. The second term goes to 0. So Fc will be equal to C by 2 root of m by a whole square. So m by a whole square, since it is under the root, we can take m by a. C by 2, m value is 1 by a value is given as 3.1 and c is the speed of light, so that's given to be yeah 3.1 into 10 to the power minus 2, since it is in centimeter. So a equal to 3.1 centimeter. Okay, so c is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 2 into 1 by 3.1 into 10 to the power 2. So 3 gets cancelled, almost similar. So 1 by 2 into 10 to the power 10. So almost equal to 5 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. According to the answer key, the correct option is given as 3, which is again it's a wrong option. None of the option is correct. So if for a TE mode, TE10 mode, if the answer is 3, then what is the value of A? What is the value of A for which we have cutoff frequency Fc is 3 into 10 to the power 10 hertz. So we know Fc is equal to since it is TE10 mode, C by 2 into m by A. So this is the answer. This should be equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10. So 3 into 10 to the power 10 equal to C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2. M value is 1 and A value, this is what we need. What is the value of A for which it is? So A we don't know. So from this A equal to bring this to that side. So A equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 10 into 1 by 2. So that's equal to 10 to the power minus 2 into 1 by 2. So 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this should be equal to this much meters. So in centimeter, so this much meter, or 5 millimeter thickness. This is not correct. This is 30 millimeter or 31 millimeter. So this is not the correct answer. If the question is on the cutoff wavelength, you can use the formula lambda c is equal to 2 divided by root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square, and frequency, angular frequency. In terms of angular frequency, omega c, again cutoff angular frequency, it's c pi into root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. There are two questions for you to practice, question number 1 and question number 2. Please comment your answers with the correct question number.